po yun para maganda ang trabaho. Kasi pag bad mood, di ba, nakakainis ako sa'yo. Mapagbubuntunan, di ba? Tsaka hindi makakapag-deliver ng maayos. Pero for me, kahit anong naman po mararamdaman mo at the moment, malungkot man, galit, frustrated, masaya, inspired. Actually, parang magic nga po kasi nagagamit mo siya sa kung anong eksenang kukunan. Parang magic talaga siya.
Yung experience outside,
yes,
yung nararamdaman.
Yes, at the moment. So it helps, it really helps sa craft.
Yan, ikaw naman ka.
Ako po gusto kong magpasalamat kay Direk. Maraming salamat po sa magagandang words na sinabi niyo po sa amin ni Kate. And yeah, kami po talaga sa set, we're all professionals. Like what Direk said, lahat po ng baggage na dinadala namin personally. May mga side comments ka po na ako lang nakakarinig.
Like ano ba yung Paul na sinasabi mo? Masaya naman talaga si Kylie, syempre.
So iba po talaga yun pag nasa set na. Dapat focus na po sa karakter, sa proyekto na ginagawa.
Ayun. Last na lang, bakit ba parehas kayong masaya?
Okay.
Napansin ni Paul, oh.
Paul? Joke lang. Opo. Iba?
Dahil in love si...
Oh yes, of course.
Oh, yan ang sagot.
Yes!
Naku, dumulubog sa upuan si Kylie.
Yes, tita.
Nakilala ko na pareho.
Ay, bongga naman. Boto po ba kayo, Miss Connie, sa kay Fumiya at kay Connie? Ay, ano ba?
Ay po may
Nakilala mo na, di ba, Miss Connie? Ano po masasabi mo?
Dagdag ko kasi. Kasi konting oras pa lang ang pagkakakilala. Pero sa tingin ko naman, okay na okay naman. Oo, di ba?
Yung sa dalawa po.
Oo. Hindi ko pa kasi sila talaga nakakausap dahil ng matagal. Kasi tinatawag na ako sa kabilang set. Sabi sa akin ni Miss Nieva, pumunta ka na ngayon doon sa simbahan, kailangan ka na doon. You have 45 minutes. Okay. Yes, boss.
May dapat ba kayo paliwanag sa sinabi ni Scott?
Wala naman po.
Ayan. Thank you, Beth. Hindi ka sumagot, ha? Bakit ka laging masaya? Ayan.
Dahil sasabihin ko, kung masaya sila, di okay lang, di ba?
Of
Basta
course.
sabi ko, mag-ingat lang sila. Pahalagahan nila ang sarili nila.
Tama.
Yan lang ang masasabi.
Ayun.
Thank you, tita. Opo, tita. Noted po.
Ayun, kay Dean. Reaction mo kay Miss Pony. Siyempre, naghihintay ng reaction dun. Yung message niya sa'yo, na pahalagahan mo.
Oo naman po. Alam naman po ni Tita Connie at marami naman po kaming mga usapan ni Tita Connie sa kanyang dressing room. Pinupuntahan ko po talaga si Tita Connie kasi iba talaga yung wisdom po ni Tita Connie, ibang klase. And sinabi ko po kanina sa isa sa mga interview sa akin na yung relationship ko with God right now, feeling ko mas naging closer ako because of Tita Connie. At si Tita Connie, like narinig niyo po kanina, mahilig siya sa Reels.
Oo nga parang Gen Z na Gen Z.
Gen Z po na Gen Z at nagla-like siya, nagsisend pa. So, pag nagsisend po si Tita Connie sa amin, lahat ng mga videos or verses, hindi po pare-pareho. Okay po. So, pagdating po sa akin, very timely, every single time po na nagsisend si Tita Connie, halimbawa po, I'm feeling something. Merong isasend si Tita Connie na verse na
parang sagot lang.
Saktong-sakto po sa dadaanan ko or nararamdaman ko nung time na yon. And yeah, I'm just really thankful po for Tita Connie. And kahit hindi po kami magsalita, lalapitan niya po kami. Sasabihin niya sa amin, I feel like the Holy Spirit wants me to talk to you. And totoo naman po talaga, nahihiya lang po ako mag-open up sa inyo, Tita Connie. Parang yun po. So, ganoon na po yung relationship namin off-cam. So, thank you po. Thank you for always looking out for us, for guiding us, for your wisdom, for sharing your wisdom. You are very generous, Tita Connie. We all love you! You're making me cry! Oh, tinan mo? Finger heart.
Wow. Ayan. Pero bongga rin na okay sa kanya. Thank you very much. Naku, mamaya na lang. Thank you,
Nanginginig na yung kamay ni Sir Don kaka-video. Next po kay Mr. GP Anargon of Rewind Channel.
Hello po, good evening. My questions po are for the two leading men of Shining Inheritance, si Michael at si Paul. But first kay Michael muna, no? I think ilang beses naman na itong natanong sa'yo, but this time it's real because the show is finally airing. So, syempre relatively new ka pa in the industry, no? And you were given a big role for Shining Inheritance, a big project. Super big now, according to the Shining Inheritance fan. So, ngayon ba, medyo nararamdaman mo na ba yung pressure because it's about to air, and how are you dealing with that pressure also na, eto na nga, kumbaga medyo, hindi naman ito panininda ka, pero medyo make or break kasi yung project. So,
no pressure, pero make it or break it. I just want to say, of course, I'm very thankful for this opportunity sa management ko, sa GMA, and sa Cornerstone that they have really prepared me and trained me and given me this great role. I still remember the day that I had a screen test with Kate, and parang biglaan to with Boss Vic. It wasn't expected, it wasn't in the schedule. Sabi ni Boss Vic, may screen test ka for a show called Shining Inheritance. And I remember going home that day, I fell in love with that character. Parang there was something in that character that sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan ko makuha to. I was just so determined. I prayed for it very hard to the point then I searched about Brilliant Legacy siya sa Korea, right? So I watched the whole series in 3 days dahil na-excite lang talaga ako. And I fell in love with Yuan. And siguro after filming this for almost a year and now we've seen the great trailer, masasabi ko lang pong blessed ako kasi it's big pressure na kasama ko mga veteran actors dito, Tita Connie herself, ang lola ko po dito. So, kinakabahan ako doon. But yung pressure na yun nawala, naging excitement when I got to share a scene with them. Tita Connie po kasi, I just want to say, this is my first drama show. So, meron mga eksena na kailangan ko talaga umiyak, maging vulnerable, and I must admit to myself, that's one of my weaknesses. But Tita Connie is there as a lola on screen but also off screen. She prays with me. She prays over for the scene that really helps me. Kasi yung pong ganun na as an actor, as a newbie, as someone who wants to prove their position in industry, parang hirap na hirap ako sa mga eksenang challenging, but Tita Connie gives me that warmth na I just want to say thank you. Thank you, Tita Connie, kasi iba po yun. Hindi lahat ng mga nakakatrabaho ko is willing to pray, to help me prepare. So, I'm very thankful for that po. And of course, with Kate din, bilang kapartner ko po siya dito, as they mentioned, rom-com yung original Shining Inheritance. This one's more family. Familiar. Isa-isa, pero kay Kate lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na na-confuse nga ako kay Kate nung una. Meron kaming one-on-one workshops nito. Oo, na mysterious talaga si Kate. Mysterious in a way na once nag-bloom na siya sa set, grabe, mapapawaw ka na lang na napakagaling ni Kate. For me, doon yung starstruck. And
na-starstruck ako kay Kate.
Oo hindi lang sa ganda, pero sa ganda ng work niya.
Minsan di nakaka-dialogue si Michael.
And I always mention sa mga interviews before that my dream leading lady is Kate Valdez. So maraming salamat po na nakapartner ko pa si Kate. Nasabi ko din before, I want to work with Kylene. Naging twin ko dito. Kambal ko si Kylene Alcantara na magkawig tayo pero sa dimples. Yun lang pinag-uusapan namin. And of course, you know, si Kylene. But Kylene is Kylene. She's very great talaga ever since. So, to me, veteran actress na siya. That's someone I was very intimidated na eh. Oo, veteran na yan. No, sharing scenes with her, makita mo man yung kontrabida side niya in person, masasabi ko lang, mapapawaw ka. To the point na, minsan, uy nga, character nga pala ako dito, hindi ko nanonood. So, iba yung power ni Kylene. Si Paul naman, Tita Connie vibes eh. I'm just very thankful po, again, with this cast, and to Direk for helping me with this pressure. Again, it's a make it or break it for me, and I just want to say I gave it my best. I know that this is my first big show, and it's more of a learning show, and I can say that I truly learned a lot from this Shining Inheritance program, and all I can say is I'm thankful and I'm very grateful.
Of course, si Miss Connie kanina, she mentioned